Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Thursday. Oh, sorry. Magkape muna tayo. Happy Thursday, beautiful people. Good afternoon na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. 12:25 p.m. sa Ontario, Canada. Si Tita nga po pala ito. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I hope your day is amazing, you're happy, you're healthy, you are safe, and you are enjoying life. Kasi dapat ganun talaga, di ba? Mag-enjoy tayo because napaka-short ng buhay natin sa mundo. Di ba? Aha. But anyhow, I hope your Thursday is amazing. Adelaida, thank you for watching. Maraming salamat sis, kala-live ko lang. Maybe 1 minute, wala pa. Oh yeah, 1 minute lang. But anyhow, thank you for watching. Yes, shout out sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat, mapabago, mapaluma man. I really appreciate you all. Thank you guys. Sa mga comment nyo, mga pag-share nyo sa mga post ko. Maraming salamat. Thank you. I appreciate you all. Okay po? Yeah, know that I appreciate every one of you. Parang ang sarap ng kape ko. Kaya, yan. Medyo maganda pa ang panahon, pero papunta na kami sa tawag nun, malamig na panahon na naman dito sa Canada. Oh my God, ito na naman, magbalot na naman. But anyhow, today is a beautiful day. It's 21 degrees. Ang sarap ng, tatapos ko lang magturo ng aking cardio class. Sa rooftop kami sa rooftop namin ginawa. So, talagang pugit-pugit na ako sa kaitim. But it's okay. Malapit na ang winter. Balutin ko na naman sarili ko. Babalik na naman sa natural na color. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Ganun lang. But anyhow, take advantage kung ano man yung magandang panahon na meron tayo. September, na lang ba ngayon? September 12 na ba? 11. I don't know the date anymore. But anyhow, thank you. But anyhow, nilagay ko po diyan, pag-usapan natin, make your money work for you, not all the way around. Kasi yan, nilagay ko lang diyan because of my conversation. So most of you guys, yung nagpapalo sa akin, chat, thank you for watching. Most of you know na meron akong online business na ginagawa, and I grow my business through social media, at ang Facebook ko talaga ang pinakamalaki ko. So that's the reason why na nagla-live ako, na nagpo-post ako. It's because our business is attraction marketing. So any social media platforms, yun po ang aming, kumbaga yun ang aming opisina. So sinishare namin ang aming business because we know na marami pang tao na hindi alam that you can earn anywhere you are. Hindi lang na traditional na tayo pwedeng kumita. We can earn anywhere we are. Na we can take advantage sa ating cellphone, we can take advantage of the internet to our favor. Diba? So yun po yung ginagawa ko. Kaya kahit saan pwede daladala ko ang aking negosyo, kahit saan man ako, kahit busy man ako, konting time na pwede kong isingit, yan pwede kong gawin ang negosyo ko. So which is amazing. Yeah, so anyhow, nilagay ko po dyan because marami po ako nakakausap which are very, very hesitant na magbitaw ng konting halaga para malaman lahat ang in and out ng business. Because for me, that's the reason why I'm pushing this, because it's for you, not for me. Because I'm not getting paid for you to pay the 149. So ito kasi yung next step namin. So once na pag nag-inquire kayo sa negosyo namin, so first step is i-watch nyo yung free webinar namin. So the webinar will just give you a basic information about the business. You won't get everything that you need to know before you start the business by just watching our free webinar. So that's why I always say, go to the next step, which is to pay $149 US. But here is the catch. That $149 US is refundable. Fully refundable within the 30 days period. So guaranteed yan na andyan. So what's holding you back? Na Elmi, thank you for watching. What's holding you back na magbayad ng $149 when you know na it's refundable within the 30 days, and when you know that you will get everything that you need to know, the products, kung paano kami kikita, kung paano namin may skill up ang business. Kung kayo nagtataka kung bakit may kumikita ng 5 figures or 6 figures in a month sa negosyo namin, because there are strategies. So yun yung dapat yung malaman before pa man kayo mag-decide na it's not for you. Because you haven't seen anything. You haven't seen, all you have seen is the free webinar, which just outlined the basic information. That's not the one. So that's why talagang lagi kong sinasabi, because it's risk free. It's 30 days. Napakahaba na po ng 30 days na yan. Para pag-isipan mo once na, because what happened is that when you watch the webinar, and like, you know, some people will just say, okay, can you explain it to me? No, we don't do that. We have the process na mag-explain para sa amin. So, like, you know, kung ako yung nakakarinig ng ganun, I would be happy, because, okay, so I won't have to do so much when I decide to start this business, because there's a system that will do mostly of the heavy lifting talaga. 90% ng talagang core tawag nun na work dito sa negosyo is gawa ng system. Yung email campaign, hindi kami ang gumagawa nun, although pangalan namin ang nakalagay doon, pero hindi kami ang nagsisend nun sa inyo. Back office namin. See? So that is how, like, you know, once na ma-set up na ang business mo, it's very easy. Pindot-pindot ka na lang. But of course, maraming tao na hindi alam kung ano yun, na talagang jumping into conclusion na hindi para sa akin ito. So whose loss is that? No, not mine. Diba? Geraldine, thank you for watching. Not mine, absolutely. Kung ikaw na naghahanap, kung ikaw ay pagod na sa trabaho mo, kung ikaw ay pagod na super haba na ng oras mo sa trabaho, wala ka ng time para sa family mo, wala ka ng time para sa sarili mo. So it's about time to change, kasi hindi tayo habang buhay na malakas. Of course, ang business, hindi ko sinasabi na hindi natin gagawin. Yes, we have to work on it. Just the same as traditional business. You have to work. But the good news is, yung pagod na ginugugol mo dito sa negosyo na to, sinong makikinabang? Ikaw mismo. Hindi ang employer mo. Hindi ang ibang tao. Kung nag-o-overtime ka man dito, ikaw mismo ang makikinabang yan in the future. Ikaw at ang family mo. Hindi yung supervisor mo, hindi yung manager mo, hindi yung employer mo. Diba? Because like we are, talagang gusto natin na meron ka agad, kaya ang work makes sense sa atin, because after we work 8 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, na andyan ka agad within 2 weeks na andyan ang pera. Instant gratification, yun ang ano natin, yun ang mentalidad natin. Wala tayong tiyaga na trabahuin ang sariling negosyo, talagang na magintay kung kailan lalago yung ating pinaghirapan na negosyo. Wala tayong tiyaga. Mostly sa atin ganun. Pero at the end of the day, sino nakakaawa nun? Ikaw din. Kasi ikaw yung nagpagod. Diba? Now, kung sasabihin, marami din na yung sasabihin, I'm so busy. Yes! All of us are busy. I'm busy. All of us are busy. wala naman siguro sa atin na nakataas lang ang paa the whole day, di ba? Bakit pa tayo mag-abroad kung ganun ang buhay natin, di ba? So, life is busy, pero nasa sa atin yun. Time pa. Wala na, wala tayo guys. Sorry. But I'm back. But anyhow, hindi ko siguro tatagalan ang aking live. But anyhow, thank you na andyan pa kayo. Maraming salamat for sticking in. And then saan na ba tayo? But anyhow, bottom line talaga, kaya sinabi ko diyan ayan na naman, may may tawag na, may inquiries ako. Bottom line talaga, kaya sinabi ko diyan, make your money work for you. Hindi all the way around. Kasi yun ang mentalidad natin, magtrabaho para kikita, ganun. But that is like a short term lang. Kasi sinasabi ko na nga, hindi tayo mahabang buhay na malakas, di ba? So dapat isipin natin, ang ano kasi ng mga tao is hindi nila nakikita yung potential ng business. Why? It's because they did not go into the next step. Takot na magbitaw ng 149, pero ang bilis kung makapag-upgrade ng, ang 149 is ibili mo lang yan ng dinner, wala nang babalik yan sa iyo. Pero kung ang mentalidad natin is, I have to make my money work for me, invest ko ito for now to find out if this business is really for me, which is rest-free naman because you have 30 days period para pag-isipan mo right after na makita mo ang negosyo, right after na malaman mo ang in and out ng negosyo. You have 30 days, napakahaba na ng panahon na yan para pag-isipan mo. If maisipan mo na, yes, it's not for me, can I have my 149, tita? Can I have my 149? Absolutely. We will give it back to you in full. Walang bawas yun. So long as it's within the 30 days period, walang mawawala sa iyo. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi, it's risk-free. Mas peace of mind mo pa yan because at least you're not gonna be wondering, what if that business works for me? What if this business blah, 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 blah. Right? So, mas peace of mind mo yan. Diba? So, what is 149 US dollar? Kung ang katumbas naman noon is malinaw sa iyo kung ano talaga ang negosyo, malinaw sa iyo makapagdesisyon ka ng tama kung para sa iyo or hindi. So, what is 149? Nothing. Right? Kasi babalik naman sa iyo yan eh. So you're not wasting your money. You are actually giving yourself a favor in doing so. Diba? Ganon. So, anyhow, I hope it makes sense. But guys, hindi na ako magtatagal, okay po? Maraming salamat talaga na andyan kayo, nag-stick kayo sa akin. But anyhow, if you want more information, nasa aking business page ang aking website. So, all you have to do, sign up with your name and email address at ang back office na po namin ang magpapadala ng information na kailangan nyo. See? It's how easy it is, right? Or, you can also message me at ako na ang mag-usap tayo. So yeah, if you'd rather do that, then yes, you're more than welcome. Okay? Now, so anyhow, for any question, of course, I'm always open. So I hope it makes sense and you guys. Maraming salamat. I appreciate you guys very much. So thank you again. So enjoy the rest of your Thursday and of course heading to the weekend, and be safe, be happy, be healthy, and I will see you guys later. So Jovelyn, thank you na andyan ka, pero magpapaalam na po ako. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Ingat po and God bless everyone. Thank you.